Write polynomial function of the least degree that has the given zeros. A. -2, -4, 5 with the passing through 0, 2. We will write down the factored form of a polynomial function. F of x equals a sub n times x minus x1, x minus x2, and so on. For a, f of x equals a sub n x plus 2 times x plus 4 times x minus 5. We will use this information to figure out this a sub n. So a sub n equals f of 0 over 0 plus 2 times 0 plus 4 times 0 minus 5 equals 2 over -40 equals -1 over 20. So f of x equals -1 over 20 times x plus 2 times x plus 4 times x minus 5. For b, based on conjugate root theorem, -2 minus square root of 5 is also the root. -3 minus 4i is also the root. For -2 plus square root of 5, -2 minus square root of 5, s equals -4. Product of these two roots equals -2 squared minus square root of 5 squared equals 4 minus 5 is -1. So we have a Villa's form of a quadratic function x squared plus 4x minus 1. One factor of this polynomial. For -3 plus 4i and -3 minus 4i, sum of these two roots equals -6. Product of these two roots, -3 squared plus 4 squared equals 9 plus 16 equals 25. So we got another factor of this polynomial, x squared plus 6x plus 25. Remember the Villa's form of a quadratic function, x squared minus sx plus p. Then for this polynomial function, we can write down f of x equals a sub n times x squared plus 4x minus 1 times x squared plus 6x plus 25. We need to figure out this a sub n. We will use this information. The intercept is 25, which means 0, 25. A sub n equals f of 0 times -1 times 25 equals 25 over -25 equals -1. Therefore, the final answer will be f of x equals -x squared plus 4x minus 1 times x squared plus 6x plus 25. Let's go to D. Based on the conjugate root theorem. Negative 5i is also the roots. 5i, negative 5i. Sum equals 0. Product equals negative 25i squared equals 25. So we got Virta's form of this quadratic function, x squared plus 25. Then f of x equals a sub n times x minus 1 times x plus 3 times x squared plus 25. Passing through negative 126. So we get a sub n equals f of negative 1. Negative 1 minus 1. Negative 1 plus 3. Negative 1 squared plus 25 equals 26 over negative 2 times 2 times 26 equals negative 1 over 4. So f of x equals negative 1 over 4 times x minus 1 times x plus 3 times x squared plus 25. Question 3. Write a polynomial function of the least degree from the given graph. Parent function of a linear y equals x. This is the parent function of a quadratic y equals x squared. This is a cubic y equals x to the third power. If the graph cross x-axis like this, we will say x minus a. When the graph bouncing back at the root a, we will write down x minus a squared. When the graph cross x-axis like this, we will write down x minus a to the third power. Let's check the first graph. x1 equals negative 5. Bouncing back, we will write down x plus 5 squared. x2 equals 3. Then factor will be x minus 3. The y-intercept is 0, 50. So f of x equals a sub n x plus 5 squared times x minus 3. A sub n equals f of 0. 0 plus 5 squared is 25 times 0 minus 3 is negative 3 equals 50 over 25 times negative 3 reduce equals negative 2 over 3. So the first graph of function f of x equals negative 2 over 3 x plus 5 squared times x minus 3. For second graph, x1 equals negative 2. X plus 2 is the factor. Second root, x2 equals 1. X minus 1 to the third power is the factor. Here, x3 equals 3. Bouncing back, x minus 3 squared is the factor. So we have f of x equals a sub n x plus 2 times x minus 1 to the third power, x minus 3 squared. Then a sub n equals, let's check this y-intercept, negative 3. F of 0 over 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 minus 1 to the third power is -1. 0 minus 3 squared is 9 equals -3 over -18 equals 1 over 6. So f of x equals 1 over 6 times x plus 2 times x minus 1 to the third power times x minus 3 squared.